Welcome to Advanced Architectural Interiors with 3ds Max and Vray. This is not a beginner course, so don't expect to start from the beginning, but what it is a course that will show you the process of creating professional, high-end interior renderings like the ones you've probably seen online. I'm a practicing professional and I create those kind of renderings for a living, so I'm going to teach you my workflows, tons of tips and tricks, and I'm going to give you models and practice projects to follow along with. I promise you that your renderings will get better after taking this course. We will go over advanced modeling in both 3ds Max and Marvelous Designer, where we will make natural looking cloth objects to add to our scene. We will discuss what makes a good composition and then learn all the settings of 3ds Max physical camera so we can control our own compositions properly. Things like depth of field, exposure, motion blur, bokeh effects, etc. We'll learn all about V-Ray lights, how to control their settings for photorealism, and how to use them to create the overall mood that we're going for with our renderings. We will also examine what makes a great texture, and then we'll make some of our own. Next, we'll go over rendering. We'll talk about all the settings you need to understand to get that nice, natural look to your renderings. And we'll also explore effects that we can achieve with atmospherics, light bloom, and other settings that can enhance our images overall. Finally, we're going to post-process our images like the pros do to make our renderings really stand out from the crowd. And you get all that in one course, plus all the project files. And here are some of the finished images from the course. I promise you that your rendering skills will get better from taking this course. So join up now for instant access to the models, instant access to the Q&A where you can ask the instructor, me, anything, I'm always here to help, and lifetime access to all current and future lectures. Happy rendering!